court case where Achapa eye Opini any said do agongo mu case ya so in fact o share from time or mo sha asem we court na asem no aide achiye papa na we dia attorney general I friend Godfrey Dami issue statements bi na statements no me dey emunsem ebebro aha GhanaTube in some of the operates aha and I'll be yelling that if it's for we need entry for we need a trend GhanaTube now mentor is seven so and from on the team we almost attorney general asked Court of Appeal to overturn order to start Opini's case afresh. Full stop bam. Yes, Opini case yo me dear bedroom Godfrey Dami if your mon share court case no as if for who say other case and with that case there because one share till time almost shares that case you have to be doing it now after the one time say share case not for how and yeah Godfrey Dami Eddie by the Attorney General Godfrey Dami has filed an appeal against the High Court's decision that the criminal trial of the Cocoa Pod boss and two others should be heard de novo afresh. The Attorney General's ground of appeal is that the trial judge, Justice Akwesi Anochi Jima, misdirected himself in the application of the principles regarding the adoption of evidence in a trial. And the former Cocoa Board Chief Executive Dr. Stephen Opini and businessman Edu Agongo, as well as Agriculture Ghana Limited, are facing 27 charges, including willfully causing financial loss to the state and contraventions of the Public Procurement Act in the purchase of Elizabeth liquid fertilizer between 2014 and 2021 on a time loan. Following the retirement of Justice Clemens Henuga, who has been presiding over the case since 2018, the Chief Justice resigned the matter to another judge. No judge now presiding over the issue since 2018. Recently, and just handed over case to another judge. On March 30th, when the court case reconstituted at the High Court, Land Court 2, the Attorney General, through the Principal State Attorney, Mrs. Evelyn Kelson, appealed to the court to adopt the proceedings of the previous judge, but was vehemently opposed by counsel of accused persons. The parties were therefore directed to file their written arguments. And on April 4, 2023, Justice Kwesi Anochi Jima, the new judge, ruled on the application and ordered that the case be started afresh, considering a number of issues. The judge, in his ruling, recognized the fact that when Justice Onyenuga was the judge of he's retired now, was in charge of the matter, the case was replete with applications upon applications coming from both counsels from the accused persons, challenging various aspects of the conduct of the proceedings before the previous judge, some of which applications are currently pending before the Supreme Court, with another one currently pending before one. Until the accused persons have time and again complain about the fairness of the trial so far, and that is one of the reasons why they are vehemently opposed to the adoption of proceedings in this matter. The judge further stated, the question that I keep asking myself is that even though I may have the discretion to adopt the proceedings in this matter and continue with this trial with all the allegations through various applications of the unfairness of proceedings before the previous judge, though none have been proven so far, will I be doing justice if I treat it as business as usual, adopt the proceedings and continue with the matter as it is? If I adopt the proceedings, I am basically adopting every act and decision that has been taken by the previous judge in the matter, and I will be saddled with the same suspicion and allegations of unfairness that have been leveled against the current state of the proceedings. And I am not by this saying that I agree with the allegations of unfairness that counsel for the accused persons have raised, but I am also mindful of the fact that when they are ingrained suspicions as to the fairness or otherwise of a system or procedure, if there is an avenue open to the court that will substantially dispel the said suspicion, it will be the best course of the case to fake. And in something that of what it does, but my making and just say I appreciate the fact that this case has traveled for quite some time and a lot of witnesses have been called and discharged, but it is my candid opinion that it will be in the interest of justice and the interest of all the parties of this court to start a clean slate, free from all the shackles of allegations of unfairness and counter allegations of intentional delays that have bedeviled this case over its duration, and that has resulted in the filing of numerous applications before this court, differently constituted, and also before the Supreme Court. They should start it afresh. Case because and unfairness in fact internal doors judge now or no presiding over the case previously in his retired, and according to the law he has to hand over to Ono Justice Jima and to Ono more send your for unfairness say and Omusha case nasi from 2018 now Omusha says case you have the case after no matter started afresh and go for evidence any and I say I know you but also the case was here starting afresh because new judge and new justice and Nina and comment section and also said was said that is waiting one more thing now I share case now say every day there other justice and judge no agency Nina so Jama because as a waste time issue too much. There was some share no me assembly once and because some start it's going to be a whole process. Not just say score must say you go from the previous times of most shake case no ever no almost waste time. I started new a case no afresh that assembly I know but say so much as that may be in the right position in a criminal trial where the liberty of the accused is at stake and where the accused is by law presumed innocent and also entitled to a fair trial. Any factor, however minimal or insignificant its effect, that will enhance the opportunities for the fair trial of an accused person should not be overlooked by the court. In some way, so see asked court of appeal to overturn order to start Opini's case afresh. Attorney General Ebe say or no, and letter said they should overturn that case, said they should start the case afresh or no. Attorney General has stepped in. So I make come first and they say Attorney General is rather asking them to start the case afresh. No, or no overturning Justice Dima names say almost starting case no afresh. And of course, and in some into her and I'm giving basin GhanaTube for comments no and who came in our comments box. Now major break no making kind Eddie I'm GhanaTube CC again. Macamo.